Dry brushing is dangerous.
Hello everyone, welcome to The Dye Never Dies. And yes, dry brushing is dangerous. Dry brushing too hard, these little things called mini, is sometimes a risky business. The backbone of the skeleton centaur got broken. The mini is made of lead alloy, which it is a rather soft and malleable metal, but unfortunately it is also fragile. Fixing it using super glue will not be enough. I need to add some sort of support, and the hind legs of the horse are too soft, they could break. I will add an additional support under the horse for that. The tossed back iron wire might be just the right thing to support the backbone. It is easy to shape and it is strong enough to hold together the body of the mini. I only need a small piece. I bended it in a U shape to surround the backbone, and I anchor it to the skeleton body. The iron wire attached with glue should help the backbone stand upright, and at the same time not alter the appearance of the skeleton too much. The centaur is fixed now. I had to add also a piece of armor to hold together the skeleton torso and the horse body. The shoulder pad looks good in that position. It seems like adequate protection for this combat unit. But wait a minute. Let's start from the beginning. As base color, I covered the miniature entirely with this blue. Later, I washed the miniature with a darker shade of blue. The goal here is to create contrast by darkening all the cavities of the centaur. I like it. It's coming out exactly as I wanted. And finally, dry brush the entire body in light blue. I need to be careful to don't push with the dry brush because I can break it.
Oh no!
Okay, not a big surprise. I already told you that I broke it during the dry brushing. The problem is that during the repair, the super glue went everywhere, and to clean it, the paint came off in some areas. The only solution is to repaint it. At this point, I took the opportunity to do a bit of kit bashing to the skeleton. I added a crest to make it look like a real badass. I supported the whole thing with something that will eventually look like a piece of wood. I used this Tamiya putty for kit bashing. Okay, let's cut the crest to give it a shape, the right shape. Here it is, the Ghost Centaur. It's beautiful, ready to be repainted. First, I shaded the entire mini with a slight diluted ultramarine blue. This is the cheapest acrylic paint, but suitable for painting mini model, that I found in stationery and art shop. After about 15 minutes, the color is dry and the skeleton is ready for the next step: dry brushing with light blue. This is a color designed for painting miniature. It spreads well on the mini and also dries quickly. One more layer of blue. This time I used a very light shade of blue from the Titone painting range. This color is very similar to the ghost Jewess mentioned in a tabletop minion video. Ready for the final touch with a layer of white dry brush. I'm quite happy with the final result. It looks spooky, just as I wanted. I completed the mini, painting the head attached to the horse as if it had just been taken. That's it. This is how I painted the skeleton centaur from the old Rackham miniature collection. Thanks for watching. Ciao.